Hello class, my name is Claudia Hernandez and I am your instructor for CG-54. In this video, I'd like to show you around our course as some things have changed on our home page. At the top of our home page, you will notice the two most recent announcements for the course. If you've missed any announcements, you can always catch them here. You see the little icon for announcements. You can click on these, or you can go and see all of our announcements in case you've missed any, and there have already been a few. So make sure you are reading the announcements, as they do have important information about our course and how we will be going about our week. Each week, usually on Saturday before the week starts, the homepage will be updated with the weekly agenda. You also will have the previous week's agendas in here, so if you missed something or need to go back, that will be here on the homepage for you. The current week will be highlighted in this light coral color. And you can click on the accordion to open up the instructions for the week. It has links to the week's module. For this week, we were in week 2 module. You can click on the link here and it will take you to the module that we're working on for the week. And you will start with the first page, the module overview, and then go along through the module all the way to the end. Okay, so next week, tomorrow, you will be seeing the instructions for next week with a to-do list and, of course, the link to the module that we're working on in week 3. And as a reminder, you do need to complete the previous module in order to move on to the next. So for week 3 that's coming up, if you have not completed the module in week 2, then you will not be able to open up the module in week 3. So you do need to complete the modules sequentially, week 1, week 2, then move on to week 3. So if you're having trouble accessing some of the pages, it could be because you have not completed the previous module, which is required in order for you to move on. And you will be able to see if you completed the items on top of the little bars here. So if you're able to open them up, that means you completed them. Or if you're missing something, you might go in here and see, okay, what's missing here? There's an assignment that's due. Make sure you complete your assignment. I will have them open for 1 week beyond the due date. After that, you might need to contact me so that we can work on getting your work in. Most importantly is the Myers-Briggs type indicator. Make sure you get that done soon. That will be important for our next assignment. So, and remember that you paid for this, so make sure that you take this assessment. It is a little longer than other assessments, so make sure you give yourself some time and space to complete this. And as always, if you have any questions, please do let me know. Okay, that's it for this video. Please send me a message via inbox or email. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I will see you on the 24th.